This thing. If I got $1 every time I saw a content creator on Instagram using this mic, I'd be a gazillionaire. This is the Hollyland Lark M2 mic. This is the first mic I have ever bought. I spent a long time deciding between this and the DJI Mic Mini. I want gear that just gets out of my way and let me focus on my creativity. And this felt like more of that choice. So now, let's open it. This is the box. It kind of looks like Ben 10. We open it, so it has place for exactly 3 things. Box also has a charging, so they get charged. It's lightweight. The mic is also lightweight. It's nice. Little back. First thing is cable. The nice thing is that there is like a separation. I don't know if you can see. We have a USB-P to USB Type-C. Both of these. Wow, it feels so soft in hand. Card. Let's get in touch. Then we have some stickers, which I find actually quite cool. There are literally so many of these. So many. Then we have a quick guide and the regular papers that we get with everything. I will be using it to connect with iPhone, and I think most of the people who buy this product will be connecting with an iPhone also. I'm recording this video with an iPhone, so I'm going to connect it to my Google Pixel. And this is how you can connect it. And it automatically turns on. It uses the power from the phone. You can see that it's trying to pair. So let's turn on the mic. Maybe there's no battery. That's why it's not turning on. So I've charged the mic, connected it to my iPhone. It connected automatically. I didn't need to do any setup or anything else. Exactly how I wanted. And this is what the Lark M2 sounds like connected to my iPhone without any noise cancellation and without any audio editing. To give you more feel of how this mic sounds like, I'm gonna read you a quote from one of my favorite authors, Haruki Murakami. And once the storm is over, you won't remember how you made it through, how you managed to survive. You won't even be sure, in fact, whether the storm is really over. But one thing is certain. When you come out of the storm, you won't be the same person who walked in. That's what the storm is all about. This is what the iPhone mic sounds like. This is what Lark M2 sounds like. This is what the iPhone mic sounds like with noise in the background. This is what the Lark M2 sounds like with noise in the background, with noise cancellation off. This is what the Lark M2 sounds like with noise in the background, with noise cancellation on. I'm going to be using this mic over the coming weeks, and I'll share with you my honest experience. So, subscribe and stay tuned. Ciao.